Yes, dear students, this is the fourth part of my video. In this video, we have some sentences for exercise. So there are some sentences we will do one by one. So keep an eye on the blackboard. Yes, the first sentence is Prajwal writes a letter. Now we have to change it into passive voice. Prajwal writes a letter. A letter is written by Prajwal. My daughter is teaching him. My daughter is teaching. He is being taught. He is being taught by me. By my daughter. He has learned the lesson. The lesson has been learned by him. The lesson has been learned by him. I taught my son. My son was taught by me. Sita was singing a song. A song was अब देखिए आईएनजी वाला सेंटेंस है ना, तो being sung by Sita. The students had played chess. Chess फिर ऑब्जेक्टिव ले लीजिए. Chess had been played by the students. ठीक है, आगे देखते हैं. अभी इसको रब कर लेते हैं. Yes, students. Now we come to the sentence 7. My mother will cook the food. ठीक है. So the food will be cooked by my mother. Will be cooked. सिर्फ आपको इतना जोड़ना है. They will have played well. They will have played the match well. The match. They will have played the match well. ठीक है. The match will have been played well by them. She can do it. It can. They will have. It will have been. Will have been played. It can. She can do it. It can be done. It can be done by her. It can be done. Can be done. तो यहाँ पर आपका कैन डू है, तो कैन डू का थर्ड फॉर्म डन लगा दिया. तो बीच में आपको कैन यहाँ पर भी है, बीच में आपको बी लगाना है, थर्ड फॉर्म लगाना. कैन बी डन. शट द डोर, शट द विंडो. लेट द विंडो बी shut. There is no house to let. इसका कैसे होगा? There is no house. अब देखिए, there is no house to let. There is no house. यहाँ तक तो एक जैसा बनाया है और to लगा दिया और यहाँ पर let लगाया आपने. बीच में क्या लगा दिया? be लगा दिया बस. There is no house to be let. यहाँ पर इधर let का प्रयोग किया आपने, यूज किया. There is no house to be let. शी हैज गिवन मी ए मैसेज, यहाँ पे दो तरह से बनता है जैसे आपको मालूम है। तो आई हैव बीन गिवन ए मैसेज, है ना, या मैसेज हैज बीन गिवन टू मी बाय हर। तो ए मैसेज हैज बीन, a message has been given to me by her. She will object to my proposal. She will object to my proposal. My proposal will, she will object to my proposal. So my proposal will be objected to, देखिए टू जरूर लगाना है पर, माई प्रपोजल विल बी ऑब्जेक्टेड टू बाई, अब कौन बाई कौन है, शी है यहाँ पर, तो बाई हर, ठीक है। और लास्ट सेंटेंस देखिए, माई फादर लव्स मी, तो आई एम लव्ड by my father. So students, this is the exercise. You have got the 14 sentences for practice and I have done it before you. So आपको इसके लिए बहुत अच्छे से घर पर प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी। बहुत सारे सेंटेंस आप अपने आप से बनाइए, अपने आप से उनको एक्टिव बनाइए, एक्टिव पैसिव बनाइए, पैसिव से एक्टिव बनाइए, ठीक है। और फिर भी आपको कोई अगर दिक्कत होती है तो आप मुझसे पूछिए। So students, this was my last part of this topic, active and passive. If you want to see the previous videos, go to my channel. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for such more informative videos. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Best of luck, students. Have a nice day.